All right, today I have a Chevrolet Corvette and I'm going to show you how to open up the trunk on the vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So now to do this, there's a couple of ways you can open up the trunk on this vehicle. All right, so what I'm going to do is show you the first way first and then the second way second. I think that's usually how it goes, first and then second, right? Okay, anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm sitting behind the steering wheel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look down right here, and do you see this right here? This button right here opens up the trunk, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this, and I heard a pop. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it's the burrito I ate for lunch, but we'll see. Now I'm going to take myself, and then I'm going to go towards the rear of the vehicle, and the trunk has opened up. All right, and so all I have to do is raise it up like that, and I have access to the trunk just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and close it. Now to show you how to close it, you don't slam it. You just simply press it down, and then press it down just slightly like that, and it closes into place. Now to open it up the second way, like I was talking to you before, what I'm going to do is I'm in the rear of the vehicle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come under here. It's really weird, under here, and there is a button right under here, right? And you just simply press it, and you hear that pop. Press it, and you hear that pop, and it opens up like this, and I'm able to open the trunk just like that. Now to close it, remember, there's a little thing you can hold on to. Just bring it down, and then close it, and then just press on it slightly, and it goes into place just like that. I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.